If you're looking for a new niche for social media, this video is exactly for you. Take a look at this video. In this tutorial, we're going to create a video like this using AI completely for free. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my upcoming tutorials. To get started, go to the link I provided in the description and copy the prompt. Then go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click the send button. ChatGPT will show you 10 different house designs. You can choose one of the houses and send its number, or type the name of any house design you want that is not on the list and send it. You can also type next to get a new list of 10 different house designs. After you choose the house design you want, ChatGPT will generate the video prompt for you. Copy the video prompt and go to Google Flow. Paste the prompt, switch to video mode, choose your preferred aspect ratio, select Omni Flash as the model, set the video duration to 10 seconds, and set the number of videos to 1. Finally, click Generate. A few seconds later, your video will be ready. Let's take a look at the result. I've also prepared 2 more examples for you, so let's take a look at them. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my upcoming tutorials. I'll see you in the next tutorial.